Hello everyone, this is Gavin with TrueDoor Property Management again, here today to present to you 420 North Adlena Drive in Fullerton, California. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, single-family home at 1,600 square feet. It is located in a quiet, family-friendly community here in Fullerton. You do have a long driveway, perfect for your vehicle storage, as well as a very large front grassy area, perfect for letting the kids run around. We'll go ahead and step inside and show you what this property has to offer. As you step inside, you are greeted by a nice living space. Could be utilized as a dining room. This property does feature a nice open layout. So it opens up to the kitchen, which does have a nice bar style countertop here, which you could utilize some seating or bar stools. The kitchen does feature elegant hardwood cabinetry and those beautiful countertops. It is equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, including a microwave, a dishwasher, and a stove and oven. And there will be a refrigerator installed prior to your move-in. Nice large windows as well, allowing lots of natural light to fill the space. And we have an additional living room over here featuring a charming brick fireplace, tile fireplace, excuse me. We do have this beautiful flooring all throughout the home. Nice big living space, perfect for entertaining any guests or having some family movie nights. This property does feature a very large backyard and detached garage, which we will check out at the end. So we have the first guest bedroom over here. Again, it does have that beautiful flooring. Nice spacious bedroom. Nice tall ceilings. We have 2 windows as well, looking out to the front, allowing lots of natural light to enter the room. This bedroom does have a nice spacious closet with these sliding glass mirrored doors with some built-in organizers. It's perfect for your storage needs. We have the second guest bedroom over here on the right. Nice big windows, nice big closet with those built-in organizers, nice tall ceilings as well. Also would be perfect for a home office if you work from home. We have the guest bathroom, featuring an attractive single vanity and a beautiful tiled shower and tub combo. Now we have the primary suite here at the end. Nice and expansive. It again has that beautiful flooring. Very spacious closet, perfect for your entire wardrobe. And then we have the ensuite bathroom, which features a beautifully tiled walk-in shower. And a nice vanity, perfect for your morning routine. This primary bedroom does have a sliding glass door leading out to the backyard, as does the kitchen. So we'll go and check that out now. This is a nice cemented patio area. Perfect for some outdoor furniture and enjoying the fresh air, as well as a covered little patio area right over here. Nice big grassy area, perfect for recreational use and hanging out and enjoying the California sun. And this is a detached 2-car garage, which we'll go ahead and check out now. Nice open area, perfect for working on any project. Nice and cool in here. And there is a washer and dryer here in the garage as well as a bathroom. So if you're working out in the garage, maybe as a home gym or working on any projects, you've got a convenient full bathroom right here to use. I think that's gonna wrap it up for us here at 420 North Adlena Drive in Fullerton, California. It is a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, single-family home at 1,600 square feet. It is located in a quiet, family-friendly community here in Fullerton. It is equipped with top-of-the-line stainless steel appliances, including a microwave, a dishwasher, a stove and oven, and a refrigerator will be installed prior to your move-in date. It also has a detached 2-car garage that does have a washer and dryer in it. And it is available for rent now, so you definitely do not want to miss out on this one. If you are interested, you can visit our website at www.TrueDoorPM.com in order to schedule a showing or submit an application. Thank you so much, everyone.